In the heart of India's Silicon Valley, Bengaluru Bangalore is witnessing a surge in industrial growth, with industrial shed fabrication playing a pivotal role in shaping the city's manufacturing landscape. At the forefront of this industrial revolution stands SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, a beacon of innovation and quality in the realm of industrial infrastructure. SCON Design India has carved a niche for itself in the competitive world of industrial shed fabrication, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and time-honored craftsmanship. Their state-of-the-art facilities hum with activity, as skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly to bring architectural visions to life. From the initial blueprint to the final rivet, SCON's commitment to excellence is evident in every project they undertake. The company's portfolio spans a wide array of industrial structures, each tailored to meet the unique needs of Bengaluru's diverse industrial sector. Whether it's a sprawling warehouse for e-commerce giants or a compact production unit for tech startups, SCON Design India's expertise shines through in the precision of their designs and the durability of their constructions. What sets SCON apart is their holistic approach to industrial shed fabrication. They don't just erect buildings, they create ecosystems that foster productivity and growth. Their sheds are marvels of modern engineering, incorporating features like energy-efficient lighting, optimal ventilation systems, and customizable layouts that can adapt to evolving business needs. In a city known for its unpredictable weather, SCON's industrial sheds stand as bastions of reliability. Engineered to withstand the rigors of Bengaluru's climate, from scorching summers to monsoon downpours, these structures offer businesses a sanctuary where operations can continue uninterrupted, come rain or shine. The impact of SCON Design India's work extends far beyond the physical structures they create. By providing robust industrial infrastructure, they're fueling Bengaluru's economic engine, enabling businesses to scale up operations, increase output, and create more jobs. It's a ripple effect that's contributing to the city's transformation into a manufacturing powerhouse. Innovation is the lifeblood of SCON's operations. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in industrial shed design, experimenting with new materials and techniques to create structures that are not just functional, but also sustainable and aesthetically pleasing. Their use of pre-engineered building PEB technology, for instance, allows for rapid construction without compromising on quality or